Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make healthy soup at home. First, gather your ingredients, focusing on fresh vegetables and lean proteins. Choose a low-sodium broth as your base to control the overall salt content. Prepare all your vegetables by washing and chopping them into uniform pieces. This initial preparation makes the cooking process much smoother and more enjoyable. Building a strong flavor base is key to a delicious healthy soup. Begin by sautéing aromatics such as onions, garlic, and celery in a little olive oil. This step develops a deep, rich flavor. Incorporate your favorite herbs and spices, like thyme or bay leaves, to add complexity. For an even sweeter taste, consider roasting some vegetables beforehand. Remember to deglaze the pot with a small amount of liquid to capture all those wonderful brown bits. Once your flavor base is established, add your broth and bring the soup to a gentle simmer. Cook until all the vegetables are tender, typically for 20 to 25 minutes. Taste and adjust the seasoning with salt, pepper, and fresh herbs. For a creamy consistency without added dairy, blend about 1/3 of the soup and then return it to the pot. A final squeeze of lemon juice or a dash of vinegar can brighten all the flavors. To enhance your healthy soup, stir in fresh greens like spinach or kale during the last few minutes of cooking until they wilt. For added texture and nutrients, consider toppings such as toasted pumpkin seeds, fresh cilantro, or a dollop of plain Greek yogurt. Serve your delicious homemade soup with a slice of whole grain bread for a satisfying meal. Leftovers can be stored in airtight containers in the refrigerator for 3 to 4 days, or frozen for longer enjoyment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.